Welcome students to Sneha Coaching Academy. In this video, we will learn how to solve simultaneous linear equation using determinant method or Cramer's rule. Now, there was a Swiss mathematician named Gabriel Cramer who found this method. So this method is also called as Cramer rule or determinant method. Now, what is determinant? Suppose there are elements A, B, C and D represented as A, B, C, D enclosed in the lines where A, B and C, D are rows, whereas A, C and B, D represent as columns. So this will be the determinant. Now let's see how to solve this determinant. Make a cross over here. So we will multiply the diagonal elements, that is A into D and B into C. Put a minus sign in between. So this will be the AD minus BC. This is how we will solve the determinant. Now let's see how to solve the determinant. We are given the determinant is 5, 3, 7, 9. So we will make a cross. Now diagonal elements are 5, 9. Multiply 5 by 9 minus 3 by 7. So this will be 5 9s are 45 minus 3 7s are 21. So answer will be 24. This is how we will solve the determinant. Now let's see how to solve the simultaneous equation using determinant or Cramer rule. Suppose there are two equations, a1x plus b1y equals to c1, a2x plus b2y equals to c2. So first determinant D is equals to, we will take the constants of x and y, that is a1, b1, a2, b2. This will be our determinant D. Now we have to find x and y for our equation. So x will be dx by d and y will be dy by d. Now we have d. For dx we will replace element constants of x with c1 and c2. Put b1 and b2 as it is. Replace elements of x, that is a1 and a2 by c1 and c2. So this will be our dx. Similarly for dy, we will replace b1 and b2 by c1 and c2. So we will put a1 and a2 as it is and we will replace b1 and b2 by c1 and c2. So this will be our determinant dy. So when we have to find x, that will be dx by d. For y we have to find dy by d. So this is our Cramer's rule. Now let's solve the following simultaneous equation using Cramer rule. Now there are two equations, 3x minus 4y equals to 10 and 4x plus 3y equals to 5. So first determinant D is a1, a2, b1, b2. So compare this equation with a1x plus b1y is equals to c1 and this as a2x plus b2y is equals to c2. Now comparing the equations, we will find the determinant. A1 is 3, A2 will be 4. b1 is -4, b2 is 3. So this will be our determinant D. Now how to solve it? We will cross multiply. So 3 into 3 is 9, minus 4 4s is 16, but there is minus sign, so that will be minus 16. Minus minus will be plus 16. So 9 plus 16 will be 25. Now we have to find dx. Now dx is where elements of x are replaced by c1 and c2. So our c1 and c2 is 10 and 5. So we will write 10, 5 on the place of a1 and a2, and b1 and b2 will remain as it is, that is -4 and 3. Similarly dy will be, we will keep a1 and a2 as it is, that is 3, 4. We will replace b1 and b2 by c1 and c2, that is 10 and 5. It's simple. First you have to replace x elements with c1 and c2, then replace y elements with c1 and c2. Now solving the determinant, dx will be 10 into 3, 30, minus 4 into 5 will be minus 20. Minus minus will be plus. So 30 plus 20 will be 50. Now dy is equals to 3 5s are 15, minus 10 4s are 40. 15 minus 40 is minus 25. So x will be dx upon d. Dx is 50 upon d is 25. So 25 2s is 50. So our x will be 2. Similarly y is dy upon d. Dy is minus 25 upon d is 25. So minus 25 upon 25 will be minus 1. So the solution for these equations are x is equal to 2 and y is equals to minus 1. Now let's see one more example, that is 4x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 6x is equals to 8 minus 5y. Now we have to simplify this equation. First we will make it in the form a1x plus b1y is equals to c1. So we will shift constant to that side. So this will be 4x plus 3y is equal to minus 4. We will shift over there, that will be the plus 4. Similarly we will simplify this equation. 6x is equals to 8 minus 5y. So minus 5y we will bring over left hand side, so that will be plus 5y is equals to 8. Now we have the equations in the form. Now here first we will find d, that is a1 and a2, that is 4 and 6. Then b1 and b2, that is 3 and 5. C and 5. This will be our determinant D. For dx we will replace elements of x with constants. So constant will be 4 and 8. Keep 3 and 5 as it is. Now for dy we will keep x elements as it is and we will replace y elements with constant. So 4 and 6 as it is. We will replace 3 and 5 by 4 and 8. So these are our determinant. By solving this, 4 5s are 20, minus 6 3s are 18. This will be 2. Dx 4 5s are 20, minus 8 3s is 24. 8 3s are 24. This will be minus 4. Dy is 4 8s are 32, minus 6 fours are 24. This will be 8. Now for x is equals to dx by d. So value of dx is minus 4 upon d is 2. 2 2s are 4. So this will be minus 2. For y we have dy by d, which is equals to dy is 8 upon d is 2. 8 upon 2 will be 4. So x and y are minus 2 and 4, which are the solution for this equation. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.